Well, folks, we went out and tried to do some grouper and snapper fishing, but that wind picked up to about 15 to 20, and it got pretty ugly out there, even in a 28-foot canyon bay, even though it handled it great. But just being out there when it's that rough and the fish weren't really cooperating just yet, so we decided to run inside and catch some inshore fish. And we're actually catching a bunch of snook right now, nothing big, but we're getting there. Ross keeps missing them.
Yeah. Yeah. The smorgasbord right now.
Whoa, did you see those two back there?
Yeah.
Holy moly.
You know, in the summertime, we're going to be praying for wind like that.
Yeah, right.
I mean, it gets brutal back here.
Oh, I won't even fish back here in the summertime.
You ever fish the kitchen?
It's been a long time. Oh!
That might have been a sharky.
That thing was like a rocket ship, whatever it was.
Good fish.
Ugh.
Nice little snooky.
Yep, little guy.
Goofy hand and all.
I know, it's weird, isn't it? I've never done it before.
Greg's using one of my rods and it's on the right side. That's how I reel, and he's not used to it.
Back to the water, buddy.
I mean, who's the
He asked me who I was fishing with today. I said, Mr. Todd Ross. He goes, Tampa Bay? I said, yeah. He's like, why can't I go? Why can't I go? I said, buddy, you got school. He goes, well, you have work. I said, you're right. I'm going anyway.
Yeah, that fish rolled right in front of the boat. I didn't take long.
That thing didn't even hit the water, and I was messing around. Not a bad one to play around with, huh?